So I thought I would try an experiment because I've played around with the slicer. I've changed all the speeds and I can't make it print faster by matching the speeds of a different profile. I don't understand why that is, but here's the Ender 3 V3 SE, and it'll print this Benchy in 53 minutes. Um, the same crap here, sliced as fast as I could possibly get it to go. 1 hour and 42 minutes. And I've changed all the settings and everything. I don't understand if I've changed the speeds to exactly what the Ender 3 V3 SE prints at. Then how come I can't get this to print showing the print time of the similar, So I just actually sliced the V3 SE file, and I just loaded it on here and I'm printing it. So it doesn't look like it's printing super fast, and it thinks it's going to take like 2 something hours. But I don't know. It got me to thinking. I'm like, well, what the hell is? I mean, like physical dimensions and all that are pretty much the same on the Ender 3 V3 SE. I mean, well, why is it? We're looking at these settings here. Speed 180, outer wall speed 60, inner wall 90, top and bottom speed 50, travel speed 150, and then you get into the acceleration 2500, 1000, 2000, 2500, 1000. And if I look at the same settings, we go in here. The other one, you go into this one here. This is the Neo. And for speed, I've selected 200, 200, 100, 100, 120. Acceleration 2500, 2000, 1500. Well, that's more than the other printer. Why won't it print faster? Like physically, it should print faster according to these settings. What's the throttle stop on this? I mean, where's the software stopping the printer from achieving those speeds? Because obviously, if you want to make your printer print faster, something's stopping it from actually physically printing faster in this slicer. Like, if you use this profile, you're only going to get it to print, like, so fast. And I don't understand that. So maybe it's under the quality tab. Maybe that's where there's a difference. Small feature speed. Minimum. It's got to be somewhere in here that there's a restriction. I don't know. I can't find it. Wherever the hell it is. Let's go here. Quality. I'm not sure. Bridge wall speed, 100 millimeters a second. I think the other one read something different. Bridge wall speed. Yeah. So we'd have to change all that. But I don't know. It's like, shouldn't I just be able to turn the stupid thing up? What the hell, man? What's it say it's going to take? 2 hours. 2 hours and some odd change. So we'll see how long it actually takes to print it.